boy.
Okay.
It's plugged in.
There we go, buddy.
That's what I wanted to see. I'm not exactly sure what that
what?
is that I'm seeing. Oh gosh! You unplugged it.
Stuff stinks.
Woohoo!
Is this water?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
Alright.
Start it. Start it.
Go out! Alright, you're gonna have to blow it out.
Here, I'll spray it. Oh, you're.
It doesn't have any water in it.
has a-
It's on fire. Don't start it.
Again.
I need to fill this with water.
What? I'll blow it out. Ah!
Man, alright, it's on fire.
I think it broke something. Dude, nice. I think. Is it nice?
Oh, I broke the plate.
Poop!
Good,
No!
we have to get that out. You know how hot that is?
Holy crap. It's not so hard anymore.
Alright.
What are you doing?
Alright, well, the rollers are...